Hello, kids! Welcome back to Phonics Teach. Today, we are learning the ib family words. Let's say the sound together. I, b, ib. I, b, ib. Great job! Now, let's read ib family words. B, ib, bib. A bib is a cloth that babies wear when they eat. F, ib, fib. A fib means a small lie. J, ib, jib. A jib is a sail on a boat. N, ib, nib. A nib is the tip of a pen. Ib, rib. A rib is a bone in our body. Good job, kids! You read all the ib family words. Say them one more time. Bib, fib, jib, nib, and rib. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Phonics Teach for more fun phonics videos.